In this video, we will discuss connecting your QuickBooks Online by class. First, you should have received an invite to set up your account in Qvinci. If you didn't receive that invite, you can reach out to support@qvinci.com. If you did receive that invite, you should be able to go to qvinci.com, click on Login, and then enter the email address and password that you set up. If you've forgotten your password or you received the email but never set up your password, you could also do forgot password to reset that. Once you log into Qvinci, you'll see the company that you're a part of, and you'll be able to go to Manage, Entities, and you'll see the entities that you are currently in charge of. You will want to make sure you have admin access to your QuickBooks Online file, and you'll move to Source, and then by class location. So we can pick either one of these. They have a red dot indicating they are not linked. When we click on the by class location option to connect your classes or locations, you'll first need to add the QuickBooks Online file that has the classes in it. I will add that now. You'll be redirected to the Intuit website, where you'll log into your online QuickBooks Online account and click Sign In. It'll prompt you to select your company file. I only have one company file, so I'll be able to click the Connect button. This will authorize Intuit to send financial data to Qvinci. And then it'll show us our list of classes and locations that we can connect. Based on the name of the one that I had selected, I know that I want to connect my 1024 class to this particular one. So I click that 1024. The linking is complete. It then redirects me to choose my budget if I have them set up at the class level from within QuickBooks. You'll be able to click on the drop down and select that budget for that class. Click Save if you don't have a budget. And then that class is now connected and currently syncing financial data. You'll then move to the next entity, and you can then, from Source, click By Class Location again. Your file that you currently have is already connected, but if this class was part of a different file, you would click the Add File in the upper right-hand corner and go through the process we just went through. In this case, this class is also a part of the same file, so we will click on this green box to select the currently connected file. This takes us back to our class list in that file. We're on 1025 Tucson, Arizona, so I can just select 1025 here, and it's complete. And again, I can select my budget, and if I don't have budgets, I can click Save. And now both classes are connected. The information down here in the address field is pulled in from your QuickBooks file. So if you don't have that set up currently, you'd want to set that up underneath your company settings. The basic details, you can change these by clicking on the Edit Basic Details. The date founded would normally be the day you opened your doors, or if you're a franchise, when you signed your FDD, and if you have any full-time employees associated with that particular location. Now, these aren't always physical locations. Sometimes they can be divisions within your company if you're a multi-entity company as opposed to a franchise, or if you are a CPA and they've got their business broken out into divisions or some other class breakout that you need to report against. If you ever need to get back to set up your budgets, you can click on the Remap Budgets button to get back to the previous screen for the particular entity you have selected, and you'll be able to select your budgets there. If your classes are not syncing for some reason, you can always go through the Reconnect option here to reconnect your classes. And if you ever need to manually sync your file, you can click the Sync Now to manually sync it at any time. We do automatically sync QuickBooks Online files every night between midnight to 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any other questions about connecting your classes, or if you have any problems, please reach out to support@qvinci.com, or you can click the blue Help button in the bottom right-hand corner and submit a support ticket. If you have any other questions, we look forward to helping you. Thank you.